welcome back to another episode of vTuned. So in the last episode, we got all the framework done. Now it's time to go ahead and start working on the bodywork. So now we're gonna go ahead and retape the car with the plastic to keep all the filler dust out of the inside of the car. We got the car all taped up. Now I want to wipe everything down with some wax and grease remover. Get all the contaminants off of it before I start sanding. All right, so we got everything cleaned off. Now it's time to go ahead and sand everywhere around where I'm gonna be putting the filler. All right, so we got everything sanded, everything looks good. We also went ahead and used some wax and grease remover to remove all the contaminants. Now it's time to apply the body filler to the panels. All right, so now that all the body filler is dry, I'm gonna start sanding it with the 80 grit on a Durablock sanding block. All right, so we got all the body filler sanded. Now we just need to add one more coat of the acrylic Glaze It putty, and then we'll be ready for some primer. All right, so we got all the body work done and we wiped everything off. Now we need to go ahead and mix the primer up and start priming everything in. Well, alright guys, that's a wrap for today's video. We got all the major bodywork done. We didn't get started on the rocker panel or the rear section yet because we simply didn't have enough time. We've been doing a lot of customer cars and a lot of shop renovation. And I also put the people who won the giveaway, I put their names in the description, so go ahead and check that out down below. Those of you who didn't win the giveaway, if you want a vTuned hoodie, go in the description, go to my website and get you one. Alright guys, thanks for watching today's video. If you like the progress that's happening on the Hellcat, go ahead and smash that subscribe button, and also follow me on Instagram at vTuned. We post a lot of cool pictures and stories, and also we do polls. Thanks for watching.